Hey, it's Terry Bontemps. For most of you, you know that I'm a coach, a mentor, and a trainer with over 34 years experience as a real estate investor. I specialize in buying notes, primarily seconds, which I've been doing since 2001. So many investors try to learn real estate investing the wrong way, and that's through seminars, books, tapes, and home study courses. Many investors fall victim to expensive real estate education programs and give up from sheer frustration. The majority of investors don't make money from learning real estate this way, and it's really not their fault. Sounds ridiculous, doesn't it? On top of paying for seminars, you're paying for airline tickets, hotels, registration fees, breakfast, lunch, and dinner for the days of your training. Most importantly, you miss time away from family and work. Plus, you're in a room with 100 other investors. You don't get a chance to ask questions to help you progress. This type of training is not customized to you and your particular needs. Trying to learn from seminars, books, tapes, and home study courses is just crazy. Is it any reason why the majority of real estate investors fail to get any results using this broken, old, and outdated model? I want to tell you, there's a better way, and it's my note buying, coaching, mentoring, and training program. For the same price you spend on seminars and home study courses, you can have me as your personal coach for 1 year. No one delivers 5-star customer service the way that I do and for the prices I charge. I take you by the hand, I teach you personally, and I walk you step by step through the process of making money buying notes as a real estate investor. Without me holding your hand, it will be incredibly difficult for you to turn your knowledge of real estate investing into your real estate fortune. I answer all your questions live, and I answer them in real time as soon as you ask. This is exactly what you've been missing, that no one's told you about. You need an expert like me to answer your questions. You have my personal phone number to call or text anytime if you have any questions. This is unheard of. This is what I call 5-star customer service, and this is how I deliver exceptional customer service to my coaching clients. I've personally helped so many real estate investors by working with them one-on-one to teach them how to build financial freedom and quit their 9-to-5 so that they can spend quality time with family and friends. One of my students' mother had Alzheimer's. From one real estate deal, she was able to move her mother from Florida to North Carolina. The care and the home she was able to put her mother in came from the profits of that one real estate deal. What makes me so much more different than seminars, books, tapes, and home study courses is I personally work with you one-on-one. You have my personal cell phone number to call anytime. You can text me. You have my email address. I answer all your questions to make sure you learn the curriculum. I teach you the scripts to use so that you can buy notes directly from banks and hedge funds. I give you all the marketing materials. I do all the financial analysis with you. My students are the most tech-savvy students in the real estate industry. You'll make about 20 videos that we'll post on YouTube that will make you a global investor instead of a local investor. I have spreadsheets, handouts, flowcharts, and custom software to make your training a lot easier and more effective. I have proprietary software that I've developed especially for the iPhone. No one has software for the iPhone for note buying. Plus, I'm going to teach you how to raise private money to fund your note deals. You'll have everything you need to go out and build your real estate fortune to change you and your family's financial future. My note buying coaching and mentoring training program is $700 for 1 year or $2,995 for unlimited training, which includes 3 days of one-on-one training with me right here in Sacramento. Feel free to call me at 916-470-3869. I answer my own phone and I answer it 95% of the time. Try me, call me, I'll pick up the phone because I want to talk to you. I'm committed to you if you're committed to learning how to invest in real estate. Again, call me at 916-470-3869. That's 916-470-3869. This is Terry Bontemps wishing you success, health, happiness, and prosperity. I got to take this call, you guys. Bye.